Hey, Dr. Nicola Kluge here. Let me demonstrate and give you an example of a progressive muscle relaxation technique. I invite you to do it with me. Start by wiggling your toes. These are your toes. Now imagine you're standing on a sandy beach and you're trying to scrunch up the sand with your toes. Feel your toes and feet getting really, really tense and hold. And now let them relax. Feel them become light and loose. Can you feel the difference? Now let's pretend you're pushing a heavy box with your feet. And again, these are your feet. Feel the muscles in your legs getting really strong and tight and hold. And now let go and let your legs become soft and light. Do you feel how relaxed they are? Now imagine you're getting ready to get tickled in your tummy. How would you tighten your stomach, right? You would? So do it now. Tighten your stomach and now let it soft. Let your tummy be as soft as a bag of feathers. Can you feel the difference? Now let's pretend you're squeezing a big juicy lemon in each hand. Feel your hands and arms getting really tight towards your lemons. And now let go. Let go of your lemons. Let your hands and arm relax completely. Feel them become as soft and loose as rubber bands. Now imagine you're a turtle pulling your head into your shell, up with your shoulders, shrug your shoulders, up your ears, hold it. And now let them drop. Let them be soft and relaxed. How does that feel? Now let's make a puck face with wrinkles. Feel your face muscles getting tight. Hold it. And now let your face relax. Feel the calm spreading all over your face. And finally, raise your eyebrows. Surprised look as high as you can. Feel it in your forehead, in your scalp. And now let it relax. Imagine a wave of relaxation flowing from the top of your head down to your toes. Now let's take a deep breath in. Let it out. Imagine a wave of relaxation spreading from the top of your head down to your toes. Feel your whole body relax and calm. You've done great. Parents, remember, the idea is to teach children to recognize the difference between tense and relaxed muscles so that they can actively work towards relaxing them when they feel stressed and anxious. It's a helpful technique that can be applied to any age, not just children. If you like this technique, you can download the PDF below. It's a free resource to help you and your child succeed. Go check it out. Please like and subscribe for more tips and ideas.